Hey, it's Ben. I've got this Toladrone 31LCD. The company sent this over to me to check out, so let's unbox it and test it out. Okay, so when you pull this out of the box, it's in this case. We have a bag that has charging wires, a small screwdriver, small screws, and extra propeller blades. We have two booklets. One is more just guidelines for using a drone, and the other is instruction manual. The drone is folded up nicely here. You can see just by the size of my hand, it's not huge. It's a nice, small, compact drone. And then here's the controller. So let's just do a quick walkthrough of the controls on here and what it does. Obviously, this is the screen, and you have your on and off switch right here. These controls, where your thumbs are, control the direction of the drone. This will go up and down and then turning left and right. And this will control the forward movement, backward movement, and then fly left and fly right. And so these together act just really like a video game controller to control the drone. These top two buttons here, the left side is for speed control, the right side is for 360 flips. Then while you're flying, you have, this controls the camera angle up and down. And these are some other function buttons. This is a fine-tune button. So if your drone is drifting a little bit, you use this to fine-tune the balance of it all. And then down here are controls for when you're playing back video. On the bottom, we have a place for a micro SD card, and that can store your video and photos. And then this is where we charge with USB-C. For the drone, it does come folded up, so you need to open the arms, and these unfold easily, and they sort of lock into a place so you can feel when they are in position. The battery for the drone is in the back here, opposite side of the camera, and this just pulls out. And then this is charged with the USB-C. Once charged, the battery will just slide in to the back of the drone. Just push it until it won't go anymore, actually. It does not click or anything. It didn't for me. Okay, so the first step to get it started is to turn on the drone. And it will light up and blink, and then we're going to turn on the remote control. And it's first going to pair the controller with the drone. And when the light is solid, it means that it is paired. And then the second step is to calibrate the gyroscope. So we're going to hold both of these to the bottom right. So then the next steps are all going to happen with this button. So let's unlock it. And then the one-touch lift off. So lift it off to about 1 meter high. So let's go ahead and push the button again for the one button landing. And that's how you get started and how you land. It's not too hard to control. It does drift a little bit, so you do need to use those calibration buttons to counteract that drift. But once you get it stabilized, it's pretty good. The controls are very sensitive, so it's easy to be very delicate and gentle. It takes a little bit getting used to which directions to push which joysticks, but you want to be very careful, especially in enclosed spaces, because you very easily can crash into the wall. So I suggest going out to a park with wide open space or giant parking lot. Okay, I do want to show that the frame rate when you're viewing the camera is pretty low, but I mean that's expected because it's transmitting the video wirelessly to the controller. My son especially really liked piloting it. We did almost lose it over the neighbor's fence, so again, be careful, especially on your first time out. You might want to get a wide open space where you can't lose it in a tree, over a fence, into water, anything like that. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching.